This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we'll discuss how to write an algorithm for making a telephone call to your friend. So the necessary steps of a step form algorithm for making a telephone call to your friend are as following. So step form algorithm we have discussed earlier is the simplest form of writing an algorithm. So the first step is to check whether the telephone set is in working order. This is the very first initial step. We need to check whether the telephone set is in working order, is working or not. It's the verification process. The second step is the second step you can call is to dial the number of your friend. You need to search it from the telephone directory, or you can call it contact list, the other name. The third step is, after the number being dialed of your friend, note the response from the other end. If the number is busy, then return to the wait process and dial the number again. After some time, if not, then listen the bell and wait for a reply. If no reply, it will mean that nobody is present to attend the call. Now put down the telephone set. Put down the receiver on the telephone set. Next and the last step is, if somebody replied, then inquire for your friend. If your friend is not available, then leave a message for him. If available, then talk to him. So viewers, this is a very basic, a simple algorithm we have just discussed today for making a telephone call to your friend. This is called a step form algorithm. It's the technical term used for it. The simple type of an algorithm. It doesn't use any kind of a begin and end and any input, output, print, technical statements or terms which we used earlier for writing an algorithm for factorial and finding the sum of first 50 natural numbers. noted that we have used technical key terms and notations. They are called keywords or notations, but here we have used just simple English. So this type of algorithm is called step form algorithm or simple algorithm. So there are total 4 steps. The first step is to check whether the telephone act is working or not. The second step is to dial the number of your friend. You need to search it from the telephone directory. And the third is you need to dial the number. If you receive the response, then it's okay, fine. But if you don't receive the response and the line is busy, then you have to wait for it, and then you can again dial the number. But if somebody replied and said that your friend is not available, then you will maybe sometime call him later in some other time. So this is a very basic algorithm which is used for making a telephone call to your friend, and such type of algorithm is helpful for doing practice of solving a problem. So these are all being told to you and taught to you so that you are able to solve problems from simpler and to the difficult one. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.